Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine at home and enjoying your online classes. Myself Jalpa Patel is here with your math subject and the topic is chapter 4, numbers from 21 to 100. In this we are going to see place value, abacus, increasing and decreasing order. Here you can see children expanded form. Here you can see 2-digit 20, right? So in ones place you can see 0 and in tens place you can see 2. So 2 tens and 1 ones, 0 ones. So that is 20. Here you can see 6 in ones place and 2 tens. So in tens place there are 2 tens. So 26. Now you can see abacus over here. In ones place, O denotes ones and T denotes tens. So ones place you can see 2 beads and in tens place 3 beads. So you always start counting from the right side, ones place. So 2 and if we'll see tens place 3. So total is 32. Now here you can see 3-digit. Ones, O that is ones, T tens and H is 100. In one place there is no bead, so 0. 10 place again 0 and in 100 place 1. So answer is 100. Now let's see one exercise related to it. Number tens and ones in expanded form. Here you can see tens and ones. So we will start with ones place. Ones place is 9. Tens place is 1. Here is 110. So 110 plus 9 is 19. Again, we'll see in the next one. 3 ones, 1 tens. 110 plus 3 is 13. Next, 1 6, 1 tens. 10 plus 6 is 16. 1 place, here is 1. Tens place also 1. So 110 plus 1 is 11. Ones place here 4. Tens place 1. 110 plus 4 is 14. Okay. Now ones place here 5. Tens place 1. 10 1 plus 5 is 15. Okay children, I hope this place value expanded form is clear to you. Now we will see ascending order. Ascending order means smallest to largest. From smallest to largest. Okay, ascending order smallest to largest. Now descending order. Descending order means largest to smallest. Okay, we have to see the number which is in the largest position and then we will move to the smallest position for the descending order. Ascending order same and descending order here largest to smallest. Now we will see example for the ascending order. Exercise related to ascending order. First you can see 56, 22, 35, 33 and 87. So which number will come first? Ascending means smallest to largest. So first will come 22. Next 33. Next 35. Then 56. Last 87. So here you can see we have done from smallest to largest. Now next is 5 is the smallest number. Then 34. Next number is 49. 52. Then 83. Third one you can see 63, 98, 97, 45, 64. So if you will compare all the numbers, so first you will write the smallest one. So in ones place you have to compare, and then you will see the tens place. So here the first number you will write 45, then 63, 64, 97, 98. Now next is 34, 35, 84, 91, 37 and 48. If you compare all the numbers, you will see first the ones place and then you will move to the tens place. So if you will compare here 5, 4, 1, 7 and 8. But in tens place 3, 8, 9, 3 and 4. So 3 and 3 if you will compare, so first will come 35 is the smallest one. The next is 37. Then if you will compare, then 48 is the next one. Then 84 and 91. Now we'll see descending order. Descending means biggest to smallest. Here 52, 76, 65, 58 and 39. So we'll compare ones place and tens place. In ones place you can see 9, 8, 5, 6 and 2. But in tens place there are 3, 5, 6, 7 and 2. So 7 is the biggest one. So 76. Then 65. Then there are 2 in tens place, 5 and 52 and 58. So 58 will come. Then 52. And the last one is 39. Here again you will compare 98, 64, 24, 30 and 16. So in tens place 9, 6, 2, 3 and 1. So 9 is the biggest one. So you will write first 98, then 64, then 30. Next is 24. And the last one is 16. Here the third example 82, 96, 80, 74 and 63. So if we will see tens place 8, 9, 8, 7 and 6. So 9 is the biggest one. So 96. Then 82. Then 80. 74. 63. Now fourth example 67, 54, 38, 29, 47. Here in tens place if you will compare 6, 5, 3, 2, 4. So 67 is the biggest one. Then 54, 47, 38 and the last one is 29. So I hope children this ascending and descending order is clear to you. The concept of ascending and descending order is clear to you. Thank you and have a nice day.